बल्लेबाज आप विराट कोहली का रोल किस तरीके से देखते हैं इस टीम में?
इट्स वेरी सिंपल, मतलब जो उन्होंने अब तक जो करते आ रहे हैं टीम के लिए, आगे भी उनका रोल वैसे ही होगा। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेयर है टीम के लिए, जब भी खेलते इम्पैक्ट और अपनी छाप छोड़ते हैं, तो टीम के नजरिए से काफी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेयर है। ऑब्वियसली देखिए, हर गेम हम जब खेलते हैं तो सबका रोल अलग अलग होता है। व्हेन यू आर बैटिंग फर्स्ट आपका रोल अलग है, बैटिंग सेकंड में रोल अलग है। तो बेस्ड ऑन the games that we are playing, roles will keep changing, and everyone is open to that. And I'm sure when Virat comes back, it can only strengthen our team because of the experience, because of the kind of batsman he is. It's going to add up to our squad.
Final question, Shashank Kishore.
My question is for both of you. Rahul, your memories from 14 years ago in Ireland when a young Rohit made his debut under your captaincy, and to Rohit, your feeling at the time when you walked into a dressing room with Rahul as captain and all the other legends around in the dressing room.
Funnily enough, we were talking about it yesterday on the bus. We were just chatting about it, and yeah, I mean, I guess time flies, doesn't it? I mean, I certainly knew that when Rohit walked in, I actually remember him even before Ireland when we were playing a Challenger Trophy in Madras. He'd come, I think, just out of under 19, and he was a young kid coming through. And we all knew that Rohit was going to be special. He could just see that this was a very, very special talent. That I would, so many years later, be working with him. That I never thought about or never envisaged. But yeah, it's just lovely to see, honestly, the way Rohit has grown as a leader, as a person over these last, 14 years now. And he's truly been, I think, someone who's been an absolute credit to the game in the country from what he's achieved, like I said, both as a player and, of course, his success as a leader for the Mumbai Indians has been phenomenal as well. But just what he's, how he's been able to carry that legacy forward, and obviously comes from having to carry the legacy of obviously Mumbai cricket and Indian cricket. It's not an easy one, and he's done it with a lot of grace and class. And so it's lovely to see that happen.
For me as well, it was way back in 2007 when I was selected. But the first time I had the opportunity to interact with him was in Bangalore. I think we had this batsman's camp before these guys went to Bangladesh. So that was the first time. It was a very brief chat, and I was actually kind of very nervous, and I never used to talk so much, even with my age group people. So leave alone, these guys at that point. So I was just quietly doing my things and getting a move on with my game. But yeah, in Ireland, the first time when he came and told me that you will be playing this game, I was like on the moon. That it felt like obviously a dream to be part of the dressing room. There were so many stalwarts in that dressing room. I still remember, and it's just that there's not much that I spoke to anyone because I was very nervous, and I had no age group guy of mine who was in the squad, I think, except Piyush Chawla, who was there. But he was the only one who was there. Otherwise, it was all these guys, and I was a little nervous to go and talk. But it was a great memory, and it's been a long way since then and today. I've cherished all the moments that I've spent playing for India and also for my franchisee Mumbai and all of that. So it's been lovely, and we look forward to many more.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Captain, for your valuable time and taking some time out for the media. Thanks to the media for joining us. We'll keep you posted about the press conferences going forward. Thanks to everyone. We'll try to take as many questions as possible the next time. Thank you.
मराठ्यांची तळपती तलवार म्हणजे